Hey, Isaac in Egypt. My name is Cesar Ramirez, and I'm planning to become Faci of Axis 2019. And the name of my session is You're a Team Leader, Now What? So the reason why I decided to address this topic, because it's, as we will have the leadership bodies of the LCs, I think it's very important that to give them a general introduction to their role, new role as team leaders, and also the purposes of this session is for delegates to get familiar with the leadership pipeline concept and how their skills and management should change as they move further in ISEC, and also that they understand that their main focus should be not only in their personal performance but also in boosting the performance of their members. So we'll start with a very cool activity in which delegates will be divided by groups of 20, including a team leader. So I'm explaining the logistics in the outline, so they will know according to the number in the badges if they're team leaders or not, and which group they belong to. So we'll have around 15 groups. So the activity, the mission of the team leader is to make their team build the tallest freestanding tower balloon in the plenary. Then they will have to give instructions to their team about what they have to do and how they have to do it, but they will face some challenges as the Faci will be telling them like now the team leader is only allowed to give instructions not by talking but by doing signs, or no one is allowed to talk. Anyways, they will face different challenges to make it more fun. And so at the end, we will reward, like we will find the tallest freestanding balloon tower, and the purpose of this is just to give them a sneak peek of what awaits for them in their new leadership roles, which for sure will not be easy, but I'm sure they will enjoy it. So, February 1st has already arrived, so it's new Isaac year. So there are serpentines thrown in the plenary, and we make the crowd cheerful, and we're welcoming to their new leadership experience. And I would like to share about my year as LCP and how in Isaac in Guadalajara and how it changes in team management took us to be an exchange dropping entity from last year to an entity that was growing and was being recognized for our performance. So, as all of us know, in ASEC we make leaders in order to achieve our mission. Um, so I will be asking a couple of delegates like why do they already feel that they can be called leaders? And the thing is that leadership is not about how much you can achieve on your own or how much people like you. It is about how many leaders you can create. Hashtag leadership factory. We need to start creating leadership factories back in our LCs. And so I will introduce the concept of leadership pipeline with a quick video, and then I will explain to proceed the different levels, what it is, and that as we move up into different roles in the organization, we need to focus more on managing others, and also how JVs from team leaders are different to their members, and that they need to spend most of their time doing delivering team standards to get results through others. Actually, they need to spend 80% of their time developing and leading others and 20% of their time in personal productivity. So, there will be some reflection questions, so they will need to pair up. And at the end, I would like to do this activity in which everyone will create their own paper crown, which symbolizes the role in their LCs. There will be a great video called A Wish for Leaders. So we will wrap up. The final message is don't give your leadership role for granted, earn it, and start building leadership factories in your LCs. So, shukran. Thank you very much. I hope you have liked this and hope to see you in Egypt. Bye bye.